Welcome to Soulful Kitchen, where every space tells a story and every texture feels alive. Here, design meets emotion, celebrating imperfect beauty, handcrafted charm, and the art of living slowly. Let's explore kitchens that breathe warmth, creativity, and soul into everyday life. Your dream space starts here. Sunlight dances across old oak cabinets and faded tiles, wrapping the kitchen in gentle gold. Every shelf tells a story: ceramic pots, worn spoons, a bunch of wild herbs drying in the corner. The air smells faintly of wood and spice, like time moving slowly. Mismatched stools gather around a sturdy table that's seen hundreds of meals. It's imperfect, but that's the point. Every mark, every color feels earned. This is a kitchen that lives, breathes, and invites you in without. Pretense, warm, raw, endlessly layered, it's rustic storytelling through space. A perfect slice of charming imperfection. A coastal breeze whispers through white curtains as soft light spills across bleached wood. The whole space feels like an exhale, calm, sun-washed, quietly wild. Shelves hold pieces collected over time: sandy ceramics, coral bits, worn bowls from markets far away. The rattan lights glow like tiny suns, swinging gently above the counter. Every detail feels carefree, like salt air and endless summer. The mood is effortless, nothing forced, just life gathered beautifully. It's coastal boho with a story told in driftwood and laughter, delicate yet grounded, whispering of seaside mornings and slow afternoons. Shadows move across dark olive cabinets and brass glimmers softly against rough plaster. There's something cinematic here, moody but warm, dramatic yet calm. A copper pot glows in the corner, catching sunlight through colored glass. Rugs, aged and faded, layer texture beneath worn boots. The scent of coffee mixes with wood smoke. It's powerful but not loud, a bohemian space that feels like mystery unfolding. Everything has history, a quiet connection to the hands that made it. This kitchen doesn't shout, it hums. A soulful mix of craft and chaos wrapped in poetic imperfection. Warm terracotta tiles underfoot lead you toward a sunlit nook alive with texture. The plaster walls blush softly, kissed by light and age. Shelves hold earthen mugs, bits of pottery, and dried blooms, each one slightly uneven, absolutely perfect. A rustic wooden counter hums with history, its edges worn smooth by years of use. Above, brass lanterns glint like jewelry for the space. The air feels calm yet alive, touched by whimsy. You can almost imagine laughter echoing here. Music drifting in from another room. It's the kind of imperfect beauty you can feel with your hands. Arched doorways frame sunlit corners where blue and white tiles catch flashes of light. The air smells of citrus and olive oil, the rhythm of Mediterranean life poured into a boho heart. Rough plaster meets smooth marble, wicker chairs sit casually beside wooden cabinets. Every imperfection feels alive, cracked tile, worn paint, sun-drenched color. A strand of bougainvillea leans in through the window like a guest who never left. It's rustic, vivid, layered with warmth and joy. You want to linger here, sip something cold, and let time slow inside this easy, soulful kitchen. Soft sunlight spills over creamy plaster and rough beams, wrapping everything in ease. The space feels honest, linen curtains sway, oak shelves breathe quietly, every object belongs, a handmade jug, woven baskets, and pale ceramics shaped by touch. There's no rush, no noise, just sun, texture, and calm. A marble counter rests atop reclaimed wood, grounding the scene with quiet elegance. The palette hums in neutrals and warmth. Its simplicity done deeply, a soft story told. Through earth and craft, everything here feels effortless, like nature finally finding its home indoors. Colors collide in the best possible way, terracotta, turquoise, and gold all dancing in sunbeams. Every tile feels like a memory, every object has a history. Brass pots hang proudly over mottled marble while mismatched rugs drape warmth across the floor. Open shelving bursts with pottery from faraway markets. It's chaos, but beautiful chaos, the kind that feels human. The air moves with spice and sound, alive with life and color. This is boho energy on full display, fearless. Layered and wildly free, as if the world itself decided to call this kitchen home. The scent of pine and stone lingers, weaving through a kitchen built for slow living. Beams stretch across the ceiling, their knots dark with age. Rough rock walls meet clay paint and aged metal lights that glow softly overhead. Worn butcher block counters bear soft scratches, each one a story. Sunlight pours through skylights, turning dust into gold. A ceramic bowl of apples glows red against all that wood. It's rustic but not heavy, still, warm, grounded, like a farmhouse. Kissed by boho whimsy, it feels lovingly imperfect, a sanctuary of craft and comfort. The soft blush walls seem to hum as sunlight glides over brass and velvet. Everything shimmers gently, mirrored panels reflecting powdery pinks and aged golds. There's a quiet romance to it where luxury meets nostalgia. Velvet stools line a marble counter like guests waiting for tea. Eucalyptus branches lean from an antique vase, their scent faint and fresh. Every imperfect detail, cracks, patina, texture feels precious. This space is poetry with a pulse, it's Sibella-esque. Fearless femininity in architectural form. You can feel the story unfolding under every curve and reflection. Matte black cabinetry grounds the warmth of reclaimed oak, while a faded runner stretches across worn floors. Light pours in from a wide window, hitting ceramic cups that gleam softly in the morning sun. There's a chill ease to it, modern lines softened by handmade details. Herbs hang to dry above a butcher block island. Every corner feels deliberate yet unpolished. It's that perfect tension, new and old, rough and refined. This kitchen doesn't try too hard, it just is simple. Soulful and confidently unstyled, built for real everyday beauty. Desert colors hum here: clay, sand, soft sunlit cream. The walls curve smoothly like they were sculpted by wind. Niches hold handmade pottery, rough around the edges, glowing gently in afternoon light. Rattan lamps drift like clouds, and a woven rug softens the cool stone floor. It's grounded, poetic, and timeless, all about texture and air. You can almost feel the still heat beyond the window. Every choice feels organic, slow, and utterly calming. It's boho for the desert. Dreamer, rooted in earth, whispering stories through dust and sunlight. The scent of herbs and warm wood fills the room. Sage cabinets glow softly beneath brass handles that have aged just right. Light filters through lace curtains, brushing over vintage wallpaper delicate with florals. The whole kitchen feels handwritten, every part chosen with love and imperfection. Dried lavender sways near the window, filling the air with memory. It's part cottage, part storybook, utterly personal. You imagine pies cooling here, a kettle singing softly. Space wraps around you like a blanket, all comfort, soul, and the art of slowing down. Sunlight pools across rough concrete floors, warming the exposed brick like honey. Steel shelves hold stacks of earthy pottery, while linen curtains soften the hard edges. The space hums with balance, raw meets refined, strength meets softness. A vintage rug adds color beneath a long wooden counter. The open plan breathes, every shadow and texture alive with feeling. It's boho stripped to its essence, unpolished beauty, creative freedom. The air smells faintly of fresh bread. And stories untold. Living inside this kitchen feels like owning your rhythm unapologetically. Color and pattern collide joyfully: emerald, ochre, cobalt, and plum dancing beneath skylight beams. Every surface bursts with texture, warmth, and memory. Shelves overflow with trinkets and artwork, creating a symphony of handmade magic. The counters hum with life: brass, wood, marble, and mess. And yet somehow it all fits. There's laughter in every detail, personality in every misplaced brushstroke. This kitchen isn't quiet, it's alive. It celebrates excess, passion. Imperfection, the heart of boho. It's a creative soul made visible, fearless in color, texture, and story. Thanks for watching this cozy dive into soulful design. If you loved these ideas and felt inspired, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Every story, every kitchen has its own heartbeat. Let's keep creating beautiful spaces that feel like home together.